Ready. Hello, friends. We are in Surat here. I'm Sangeeta Sharma. I'm a journalist, and we are here with Mr. David Nachman and Snehal Batra. They are both immigration attorneys from USA, and they have come here to Surat to explain to people, to just educate people on the visas. We just recently saw the movie, which was showing that, which was the movie just now. Um, in that, all the immigrants they used to go like Donkey, yeah. Just saw the movie Donkey, and in that people were going illegally. So there are many legal ways to go to US. So it's very important that we should not fall prey to all the illegal means and follow a routine. I mean, ask your attorneys, and then you. There are many options. I will tell you the phone numbers of Mr. Nachman also. You can contact them and go in a legal way. So, Mr. Nashman, please tell me what are the legal ways and new upcoming ways which are we can adopt so that legal immigration can be adopted by citizens of Indian, you know?
Okay,
Yeah.
sure, G. So first of all, and most importantly, it's so nice to see you after so many years, and I'm
Yeah.
glad that you're well. And
Yeah.
thank you so much for coming such a distance, because I know you came
Delhi.
from New Delhi to Surat to listen to our presentation. So thank you for doing that. So my colleague Snehal Batra and I are here in Surat to talk a little bit about the legal channels for immigration. I think one of the things that she and I find deeply frustrating is that there are a lot of people who are on the ground, agents
Yes.
who call themselves immigration counselors, who don't give great information and often mislead the public. And we've both dealt with cases where it's more difficult for us to unwind the mess that some people who don't know what they're doing get folks into. There are legal channels for immigrating to the US, and I think that our big message and takeaway today and always as immigration lawyers from the United States is that you need to explore all of your options. There are options for non immigrant visas to enter the US, and there are options for green cards or immigrant visas to enter the United States. And the key is that there's no one particular way to go. For example, there were several gentlemen who were in our presentation today who have family based immigration options. They also have employment based immigration options, and they were trying to figure out which one to do. I have a feeling, based on the way they presented it, that an agent told them the family based way to go would be faster. But I think that after speaking to our colleagues from the EB5 Regional Center, CMB, they realized that there are faster ways to get the green card. So I think what it is it's a program of enlightenment,
Yes.
where what we can do is teach people to ask the right questions.
Right. And Snail, I'd like to. Can you tell me about the E1 and E2 visa, which has recently been introduced?
Sure. Thank you, Sangeeta. So the E1, E2 is a non-immigrant visa that has been around for many countries, including Pakistan, Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, but it is not available for Indian nationals. That's why people in India don't know about the E1, E2. But it is a non-immigrant visa for immigrant investors, pretty much, and it allows individuals from these treaty countries to come to the US, make an investment, and work for their businesses. So the first thing is that there has to be a treaty between the US and, in this case, India, a treaty of commerce, friendship, trade, and that's something that right now is in discussion, and we're excited because we've always